Tappy activated. Hey there, crypto geeks! Did you hear that? Humans are turning tweets into NFTs. Yep, that little Monday morning wine could be sold for serious cash, and I'm here to show you how. So, let's plug in. Remember back in 2021 when Twitter's co-founder Jack Dorsey sold his first ever tweet as an NFT for almost $3 million? Well, you can do the same. And before you ask, nope, you don't have to be a crypto titan. So first off, you'll need a Twitter account, an interesting or spicy tweet you're ready to auction, an account on Valuables, and a MetaMask wallet plugin downloaded from metamask.io. Then sign in to Valuables with your Twitter and MetaMask wallet. Next, just grab the URL of the tweet you want to NFTize, paste it into Valuables, click Manage to set a minimum bid price, and sign with your MetaMask wallet. And here you are. You've officially NFTized your tweet. Now remember, humans, if a tweet gets deleted from the Twitter database, that NFT could be left with nothing. So back up all tweets. Attention! Like, subscribe, and see you after reconnecting. Tappy deactivated.